Hello everyone, today we will talk about 5 AI tools that can save your time every single week. So let's talk about the very first tool, that is of course ChatGPT, and we are on ChatGPT. We can use it to summarize notes, solve coding doubts and understand difficult topics in a second. So I am personally using this tool for my projects works like my final year projects, and it can solve your coding doubts. And like, I don't think so you have no idea about ChatGPT. So let's talk about the next tool, that is Notion. You can use Notion for uh, creating a to-do list. You just need to write a prompt for creation of to-do lists. So let's create a to-do list for like our daily coding plan. Create a to plan for daily coding. So it will simply create, it will not take much time. So okay, we have already created, so let's create on some another plane. So what we can say, for workout we will create daily plan for workout. Okay. Hmm. Previously we have created on coding, that's why it haven't created. So we can see it has created a daily workout plan for 30 minutes, first 5 minutes for warm out, for 20 minutes for strength. In that way we can, like, it will create a daily to-do list, and if we have completed then we can just simply mark it. So this is the second tool every student should know, because exercise is needed and like to-do list is very important in our life. Then next is a gamma. So you can see I have made this PPT using only single prompt, and I have presented, like, when I have no idea about when I have created this. So like, this is for maybe business communication. We have created this PPT, like I have created this. Gamma has created this PPT. I have just given a prompt. So for creation of PPT's presentation, we can use it. So like, we just need to give a prompt, like what we want to create and what we need to edit. So this tool is a gamma. You can use it for creation of PPTs, for presentation, for project works. So next tool is Grammarly. We can uh, uh, tell the Grammarly to create content for anything. Like for coding, I have like given a prompt for create a documentation of coding, and like for creating email for deadline extension to my professor. So let's also for correction, like email correction, grammar correction, we can use Grammarly. This is the best tool. So what we can do, like, let's create, I'm working on microservices, so let's create basic idea about microservices, because I know about microservices, but maybe you don't know about microservices. Okay, so it has created microservice architecture basic idea, and using, we can also insert this into the document. So this is a basic idea about Grammarly. When you open this, you like sign up, and login is very simple. You can simply log in using Google. So I haven't mentioned it here, or haven't shown it here. Using insert, you can insert it very easily. Let's, in the beginning, if you want to insert, we can insert it. Insert. So let's see how easily it has inserted. Next tool is Grok. It is also like ChatGPT, but it is research oriented. It will search everything and I web, and it will give the content. uh, like, we can also search about, is a particular news is fake or not, or yes. This is a fifth AI tool, and it is all are very easy to sign up, log in and use. So every student should know about this tool. So that's all about this AI tools. So start using those tools and study smarter, not harder. Follow for more AI tools and productivity hacks.